आईबीआर हीरोज के 66वें संस्करण में मैराथन शब्द को एक नई परिभाषा देने वाले व्यक्ति से आपको मिलवाएंगे। वारंगल तेलंगाना से मुंबई महाराष्ट्र के एक हैरान कर देने वाले बच्चे से भी मिलेंगे जिसने एक पोयम को इतनी अलग अलग भाषाओं में बोलकर सुनाया कि कीर्तिमान स्थापित कर दिया। और मुंबई से ही एक और बच्चे से भी मिलेंगे जिसने आंखों पर पट्टी बांधकर रंगों का इस्तेमाल कुछ इस तरह किया कि बन गया आईबीआर अचीवर। और आंध्र प्रदेश से केवल 1 वर्ष और 7 महीने की छोटी सी आयु में एक बच्चे ने क्या करके दिखाया कि बन गया आईबीआर अचीवर, वो भी आपको दिखाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की मजेदार मुलाकात।
Dr. Kola Sudhakar and his wife Dr. Tulsi have become the first Indian couple to complete the 6 world marathon majors and full marathons across all 7 continents, running every race together. Their inspiring journey began on September 16, 2018 at the Berlin Marathon in Germany. Over the next 2,547 days, they traveled across the world, faced demanding courses and adapted to vastly different climates. Dr. Kola and Dr. Tulsi's mission was finally completed when they crossed the finish line at the Patagonia Marathon in South America. The couple successfully completed all 6 world marathon majors: Boston, London, Berlin, Chicago, New York and Tokyo. They also ran full marathons across North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. For Dr. Sudhakar and Dr. Tulsi, the achievement was not merely about collecting medals or crossing finish lines. It was about pursuing a shared dream through jet lag, intense training schedules, physical exhaustion, and challenging rare courses. As they beautifully expressed, every step reminded them that the journey is just as meaningful as the destination. Born on December 15, 1970, Dr. Kola Sudhakar belongs to Warangal, Telangana. He and Dr. Tulsi are dental surgeons in private practice and the owners of Kakatiya Dental Hospital in Hanumakonda. Despite their demanding professional responsibilities, they continue to train consistently and pursue their passion for long-distance running. Their accomplishment was confirmed on March 23, 2026 by the India Book of Records. And now let's connect with Dr. Kola Sudhakar and Dr. Tulsi through a special Zoom interview to learn more about their extraordinary marathon journey, their training routine and the determination that kept them moving forward together.
Sir, I would like you and ma'am to introduce yourself and tell us about your record.
Hi. Thanks for having us here. I'm Dr. Sudhakar, an orthodontist.
Hi, I'm a Dr. Tulsi, dental surgeon. We both are into private practice since 28 years in Warangal, Telangana.
Yeah, apart from taking care of our patients' smiles, we both are into long distance running. We both have together completed a marathon on all the 7 continents of the world, as well as Abbott's 6 world major marathons. And doing so, we became the first couple in India to have completed this dual milestone, doing all the runs together.
So as a couple you did this, how you both get the inspiration? From where?
Yeah. So, I can point out to one particular event. So around, say, 10 years back, my son Advait is also a dental surgeon now, and he was studying in Hyderabad. So we used to visit him every Sunday. And one of those Sundays, we 3 signed up along with few of our friends for a fun 5K run with family.
What does receiving the title of IBR Achiever from India Book of Records means to you?
Yeah, this is our medal, and we are so proud of it. That India Book of Records has recognized our achievement, and we are very grateful to you guys for getting our name into this record book, which is like a truly a memorable achievement for us in our life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to share, sir? Like, if some question remained, or if something you think that not completed or not I hadn't asked.
We would
So if
like
you
to
have
add about our journey to the Antarctic Marathon, which
Please.
is a really toughest marathon that we have done till now.
Mhm.
Antarctica, as you know, it's like totally icy and frozen continent. Reaching there itself is like an adventure. We need to fly almost 32 hours from here to Argentina, and from Argentina we need to take an expedition ship, and then we have to cross the terrible Drake Passage with all its seasickness. And after reaching Antarctica, we need to go on a small boat to an island which is like totally frozen. And then the weather, the terrain is very tough, like very breezy. We have to run on the snow, and then the weather. But it was a lovely experience, like with penguins watching us. So it's a memorable, one of the best memories we have in our running journey.
Dr. Kola Sudhakar and Dr. Tulsi's experiences reveal that this achievement was not accomplished overnight. It was built through years of discipline, mutual support, careful preparation, and an unwavering commitment to their shared dream. Their historic feat is not only a proud moment for Indian distance running but also an inspiration for aspiring athletes everywhere. Their story demonstrates what becomes possible when two people moved forward with a shared vision, unwavering passion, and remarkable persistence. Congratulations to Dr. Kola Sudhakar and Dr. Tulsi on this outstanding global marathon achievement.
Language is more than a way of speaking. It is a bridge that connects people, cultures, and emotions. When a child recites an English poem in the maximum number of languages, it becomes a remarkable celebration of unity in diversity. Shivansh Param Kapadia of Mumbai, Maharashtra, recited a short English poem on Lord Rama in 6 languages at just the age of 8 years. Shivansh recited this poem in English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Spanish and Mandarin, and that too in 1 minute and 30 seconds only. Such an achievement reflects not only exceptional memory and talent but also a deep respect for the richness of the world's linguistic heritage. Shivan's voice, echoing through many languages, reminds us that kindness, hope, and creativity are understood in every corner of the globe. Fond of skating and hockey, Shivan's record highlights the power of education, dedication, and curiosity, proving that age is no barrier to achieving extraordinary milestones. Let's see what this wonder child Shivansh has to say about his record. His parents Bindal and Param also joined in and talked about their son's exceptional feat. When did you learn all these languages? You were just 8 years old.
I learned all these languages with my mother and my teachers. I started learning Spanish when I was almost 3, and I started learning Mandarin when I was 4.
Mandarin is a little difficult one. Which one do you find the most difficult, Spanish or Mandarin?
I find the Spanish more difficult because the pronunciation is kind of like different from English, and
Okay.
Chinese is like it's little similar to English.
How did this idea come that you can sing this poem in 6 different languages?
My mother, she put all my hope in me, and that's how I got the confidence to do this record.
Okay, ma'am. Binjal, you can tell me that when did you notice all this, that he can sing in so many languages?
So, to be precise, we started reading for him when he was literally 6 months old. And since then, we saw that he would pick up, the moment he started even babbling, like the moment he started speaking, he used to pick up these big words. So then we were like, no, I mean, we have to encourage him. We have to try teaching him new languages. So first, we, of course, English books, we started with English. Then came a little bit of Hindi, speaking to the staff. Then came Marathi, again speaking to the staff. Then, of course, our mother tongue Gujarati. Then we were like, okay, he's picking up so fast. So why not enroll him for a Spanish class? And then Spanish was kind of getting fluent, getting better. Then we enrolled him for a Mandarin class too. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Why choose all these languages to sing a poem on Lord Ram?
Yeah.
Combining mythology and languages.
Yeah, so that is number one, because we are Hindus and Lord Ram is the universe, and I think nobody needs to we explain on that. And secondly, Ramayan itself, the word, the pronunciation in Ramayan, even when we speak in Sanskrit or Hindi, it is difficult. Now this is going to be like too challenging for him to speak in multiple languages. Like we speak Ramayan in multiple languages, it itself is a big challenge. And my son is open for challenge and he loves challenges. So yeah.
How much time does he normally spend in learning?
So of course English, Hindi, Marathi happens regularly. Mandarin and Spanish at least 2 days a week. We make it a point to sit with him for about 45 to 50 minutes, at least twice a week.
How did your friends, schoolmates, the teachers, what did they say or how did they feel when you made this beautiful record?
They felt proud of me and very happy. My friends are also very, very proud of me. They even congratulated me. All my teachers, they all.
Shivansh, will you like to tell something to the children of your age? What should they do if they want to do something and achieve something or make a record?
They should not give up and learn different languages in different places. They should also go to other countries and speak in the other countries' mother tongues and not give up in speaking languages.
Okay, Bindal and Param, please tell me, what's your message to the parents whose children, they have so much talent, they want to do something, but they shy away from doing all this. So what's your message for such parents?
Our message will be that if your child has the capacity and the ability, so please always, don't shy off and try to, always encourage him. As we try to encourage him and say he has got this award. So my simple message is that to the parents is do not give up and try. One day you will succeed and the talent your son has, he can cherish it out, to the world, like how she wants to.
Every language carries its own history, traditions, and identity. Presenting the same poem in many languages demonstrates that while words may change, the emotions and values they express remain universal. Through this unique performance, Shivansh becomes a young ambassador of peace, inclusion, and cultural understanding. We wish you all the best, Shivansh Param Kapadia. We know your journey does not stop here.
आंखों पर पट्टी हो, सामने एक इंट्रिकेट मंडला आर्टवर्क हो और हाथों में कलर पेंसिल्स और क्रेयॉन्स हों, ऐसी स्थिति में मुंबई महाराष्ट्र की मिष्टी रीमा अमर खोब्रागडे ने सही कलर्स चुनकर आर्टवर्क को पूरा कर एक विशेष उपलब्धि हासिल की है। केवल 7 साल की उम्र में मिष्टी ने 21 सेंटीमीटर्स बाय 21 सेंटीमीटर्स आकार के मंडला आर्टवर्क को ब्लाइंडफोल्डेड होकर केवल 12 मिनट्स और 50 सेकंड्स में कलर किया। उनके इस रिमार्केबल अचीवमेंट के लिए उन्हें इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स द्वारा IBR अचीवर का टाइटल प्रदान किया गया। मिष्टी को छोटी उम्र से ही ड्राइंग, कलरिंग और क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज में गहरी रुचि रही है। धीरे धीरे उनका इंटरेस्ट मंडला आर्ट की ओर बढ़ा। अपने पेरेंट्स की गाइडेंस और लगातार प्रैक्टिस के साथ उन्होंने ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड कलरिंग की शुरुआत की। मिष्टी की प्रतिभा केवल मंडला आर्ट तक सीमित नहीं है, वो अपने स्कूल की हैलोवीन पार्टी और अन्य क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज में भी एक्साइटमेंट के साथ पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं। इसके साथ ही उन्होंने मार्शल आर्ट्स कंपटीशन में विजेता बनकर अपनी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ, डिसिप्लिन और कॉन्फिडेंस का परिचय दिया है। मिष्टी ने स्टेट लेवल अबेकस कंपटीशन में दूसरा स्थान हासिल कर अपनी तेज कैलकुलेशन एबिलिटी और शार्प मेमोरी को भी साबित किया। आर्ट, एकेडमिक्स, स्पोर्ट्स और मेंटल कैलकुलेशन जैसे अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में उनकी उपलब्धियां उनके ऑल राउंड टैलेंट को दर्शाती हैं। अब आपको टैलेंटेड मिष्टी के साथ साथ उनके पेरेंट्स रीमा और अमर से भी मिलवाते हैं और जानते हैं सब कुछ। तो सबसे पहले मिष्टी, आप हमें ये बताइए कि आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो और आप किस स्कूल में हो?
सेकंड में पढ़ मैं DPG डॉक्टर ग्लोबल एकेडमीज, डॉक्टर पिल्ले ग्लोबल एकेडमीज।
ठीक है, आप अपना फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बताओ, आपको क्या पढ़ना पसंद है स्कूल में?
क्योंकि वो बहुत कलरफुल होता है, कलर से खेलना बहुत पसंद।
आपको कलर से खेलना बहुत पसंद है, ठीक है। मंडला आर्ट के बारे में आप कुछ बताओ, जो आपने IBR अचीवर का टाइटल हासिल किया है इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के जरिए। मंडला आर्ट, इसमें कैसे इंटरेस्ट आया आपका?
टाइटल बुक में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो करने के लिए, ड्राइंग कलरिंग फिल करना, इसलिए।
ओके, मिष्टी की और क्या क्या हॉबीज हैं मंडला आर्ट के अलावा? उसको क्या क्या करना पसंद है, स्कूल में भी या फिर घर पर भी वो क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज करती है?
से भी बहुत सारी चीजें बनाती हूँ।
ये तो बहुत सुंदर है।
ये क्ले मॉडलिंग इसे बहुत पसंद है।
मिष्टी ये आपने बनाया है खुद ने?
यस।
इसमें मम्मा ने कितनी हेल्प की है?
नो, यूट्यूब पे देख के वो खुद ही बनाती है।
That's really wonderful to know.
And apart from that, she is also doing dance with hula hoop. Also, she is doing gymnastics. So these kind of activities she is doing every day.
और वो गाना भी बहुत अच्छे से गाती है।
तो हम अगला रिकॉर्ड अब किस में एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
Next, blindfoldly different types of articles making by clay. ऐसा हमारा अभी नेक्स्ट प्लान है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम लोग अभी ब्लाइंडफोल्डली मिनिमम टाइम में मैक्स टू मैक्स हम लोग ब्लाइंडफोल्डली सम्स एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन का प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं।
That's really good to know and all the best from our side as well.
Thank you so much.
अमर जी, आप हमें बताइए कि इस अचीवमेंट के लिए आप सबसे ज्यादा शुक्रिया, थैंक यू किसको कहना चाहेंगे?
सबसे ज्यादा शुक्रिया उसकी मदर को ही बोलना है मुझे। उन्हीं की वजह से सब ये अचीव हुआ है। हमारा तो कैसे आपका भी जहाँ पे हो गया, हम लोग जहाँ पे है, हमारा ज्यादातर टाइम अपने काम के पीछे लगा रहता है। उनकी मदर है और वो खुद है जो उसने भी इंटरेस्ट लिया मिष्टी ने, तब जाके ये सब अचीव हुआ है। तो इसका पूरा श्रेय जो उसकी मदर रीमा को ही जाता है।
जी रीमा जी, आप हमें बताइए कि आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के साथ?
We came to know about the India Book of Records through our daughter's unique talent. We always wanted to encourage her and give her right platform to showcase her skills. The entire journey was very smooth and memorable. Our team was supportive and the process was well organized. The happiest moment was when our daughter received the official recognition. It was a proud moment not just for her but for the whole family. This achievement has given her more confidence and motivated her to keep learning, practicing and dreaming bigger. We are truly grateful to the India Book of Record for recognizing young talent and inspiring children and believing themselves. Thank you so much.
मिष्टी की लर्निंग और क्रिएटिव जर्नी में विद्यारंभ गुरुकुला के गाइडेंस का भी महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा है। इसी सही गाइडेंस पर क्या कहना है मिष्टी की मदर रीमा का, ये भी सुनिए।
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected Guruji Manjunath Pojar and all the Acharyas of Vidyarambha Gurukula. Your guidance, blessings and constant encouragement have played a very important role in our daughter's journey. You have not only helped her to develop her talent but also taught her discipline, patience, confidence and the right values.
मिष्टी की जर्नी में उनके पेरेंट्स का विशेष योगदान रहा है। उन्होंने कम उम्र में ही उनके टैलेंट और मंडला आर्ट के प्रति इंटरेस्ट को पहचाना और हर स्टेप पर उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाया। इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स मिष्टी, रीमा, अमर खोबरागड़े को उनकी रिमार्केबल अचीवमेंट के लिए हार्दिक बधाई देता है और उनके उज्जवल तथा क्रिएटिव फ्यूचर के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता है।
At just 1 year and 7 months old, Yuvan Ashish is already achieving something truly remarkable. At an age when most children are only beginning to recognize familiar faces and everyday objects, Yuvan Ashish, born on May 26, 2024 from NTR, Andhra Pradesh, identified 191 vegetables, fruits, birds, animals and miscellaneous objects at the tender age of just 1 year. His achievement reflects exceptional observation skills, early learning and incredible ability to recognize and remember a wide variety of objects. Such a feat at this age showcases the limitless potential of a child's growing mind when nurtured with care, encouragement and consistent learning. In a memorable and prestigious India Book of Records themed video, Yuvan can be seen confidently identifying the naming different animals and other objects. The video also featured his nursery rhymes and colorful drawing, offering a beautiful glimpse into his joyful learning journey. Yuvan's family supported him greatly throughout his journey. He is the apple of everyone's eye in the family. One of the most special moments in his journey was receiving his first book. Yuvan's excitement grew even more when he saw an elephant for the first time. This experience strengthened his curiosity about animals and encouraged him to explore and learn more about the world around him. The India Book of Records team also had an opportunity to interact with the parents of this little wonder through a Zoom interview. During the interaction, they spoke about Yuvan's extraordinary learning abilities, his daily routine. Let's have a glimpse.
Sir, I request both of you to please give a short introduction of both of you and the record framed by your child.
Yeah, this is Sanjna, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist.
Myself, I'm Siddharth. I'm a doctor as well. I'm doing DM super specialty in neurology.
So we are proud parents of Yuvan. He actually identified around 191 different items like animals, birds, fruits, and many miscellaneous objects at around 1 year, 7 months. That was his record.
Right. Ma'am, he's a very small child. When did you actually recognize that your child is actually recognizing the things? He started talking, he started walking. What was that pleasure moment?
Yeah, when he was around 11 months old, I bought him a small pillow kind of book which had small images in that. He was very interested with that book. He used to spend a lot of time with that book. So Sidhu felt the images, it's this book. Sidhu felt the images were small and we bought him a big book. At that time, he learned that entire book very quickly. Even we were surprised initially. He used to point things out and he used to ask us, what is this? What is this? And we used to tell him just simply. Later, when we randomly asked him, he pointed everything correctly. Actually.
Okay.
So we were surprised that he's actually learning. We then got to know.
Dr. Siddharth, I just want to ask one more thing to you. That when did you find your child is actually speaking the things very clearly?
Yeah, he was around the age of, I think, 1 year or 12 months like that. 12 to 13 months, he was calling the respective relations exactly, like mom, dad, grandmother, aunts and all. He was telling the exact relations perfectly. And also before, the things which he would only point out and show the animal whichever he liked. Now he started speaking out its name, whether it be initially starting with simple words like cow, later with 2-word animal names like buffalo, and later even complex animals. So at such a short age, so like 13 months and all, when he was able to replicate those many terms with enough perfection, we thought that he was a bit ahead in terms of his speech clarity or overall his grasping nature.
That's great. That's good, sir. So are you feeling that your child is taking some special interest in any of the physical activity too?
Yes, ma'am. He's particularly physical. Like whenever a song plays and he likes the song, he will just dance with it. He will dance. He will make sure that we dance. If we just sit and we watch him or we just try to record him, he will just pull us out and will make us also dance. He will roam around the room whenever the song is playing. So he loves music. Actually, he's a music lover as well. So dance a lot. And well, we didn't start with any particular sport as of now. But whenever we take him to any gaming areas which have the slopes and all where he can climb up or down, or the bouncing nets and all, he thoroughly enjoys them.
Yuvan's parents shared how they introduced learning through books, pictures, rhymes, drawings, and playful activities. Their patience, encouragement, and consistent involvement helped turn every learning moment into an enjoyable experience for Yuvan. Congratulations, Yuvan Ashish, on this inspiring accomplishment. May this achievement be the first of many milestones in your exciting journey of knowledge, learning and discovery.
अगले हफ्ते इसी समय दोबारा आपसे एक दिलचस्प मुलाकात होगी कुछ नए कीर्तिमान बनाने वालों के साथ इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के एक नए हीरोज एडिशन में।